Usuqalile umqhudelwano webhola likanobhutshuzwayo wabesifazane abaneminyaka engama-50 ubudala kuya phezulu enkowankowa eTzaneen esifundazweni Limpopo. Lo mqhudelwano ubandakanya amaqembu ayi-16 aphuma emazweni ehlukene.
Emaqenjini ayi-16 azogijima kulo mqhudelwano aqhamuka emazweni afana neFrance, iMozambique neZimbabwe. Kanti ayi-7 amaqembu akulela azobamba iqhaza. Abaningi bakuthakasele kakhulu kuba ingxenye yalo mqhudelwano.
I've been playing soccer for 20 years myself, and I find it a wonderful, fun way to stay fit because you forget you're exercising, you just have fun. And to me, this tournament is important because it brings together women who share our passion about football and shows the world that it's important to stay fit as you age.
Our team has really inspired a lot of grannies in our country. And as we finish this tournament and get back to Zambia, I think we are going to have a lot of teams in all the provinces.
Bazonikezwa indebe abazokhala bemuke nalo mqhudelwano.
I'm excited. I didn't expect this. And we have 16 teams. We expected 21. But Malawi, Togo, they didn't come because of money. This is the first tournament ever in the world. And I still need support.
Abesifazana abaneminyaka engama-50 kuya kwengaphezulu yibona bavumeleke ukuthi bangenele lo mqhudelwano. Lo mqhudelwano kulindeleke ukuthi usongwe ngoLwesithathu.